Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can claim and withdraw your X Empire token successfully into your Bybit exchange account. Guys, it's very easy to do. It only involves few steps. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to open your X Empire mining bot. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see the X Empire mining bot is opening. So guys, once your X Empire mining bot opens up, the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on airdrop. You can see that airdrop is selected. Here is the airdrop page. So guys, now you can see what's written there at the top: airdrop October 24, 2004. So the airdrop is going to be happening on the 24th of October. So guys, now you can see my token. You can see I have 223,273 token, X Empire token. So guys, now for you to actually withdraw this or claim this into your Bybit account, what you have to do now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward now. So guys, now you can see where it is written choose withdrawal option. You can see the options that we have there: OKX exchange, Bybit, BitGet, EB exchange and on-chain airdrop. The one you have to go for is the second option, which is written Bybit exchange, because that's the reason for this video. I want to show you guys how you can claim and withdraw your X Empire token directly and successfully into your Bybit account. So guys, let me tap on Bybit exchange right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here: Bybit exchange. Do you have a Bybit account? So guys, what you have to do is to tap on yes, I have it. You can see it down there. But in case you don't have any Bybit account, you can go ahead now to tap on where it is written no, let's create it. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to the page where you're going to be able to create your Bybit account. But I have my Bybit account, so let me tap on yes, I have it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's required of us. You can see it down there. Let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see the three requirements right there. The first one is your Bybit ID, the second one is your X deposit address, while the last one is your memo. So guys, now you're required to provide these three things: your Bybit ID, your X deposit address and your memo. So guys, I've already gotten them. What I will do now is to go ahead now to paste them. But in case you don't know how to get all of these, I've already made dedicated videos that will teach you how you can get the three of these: your Bybit ID, your X deposit address and your memo. I've already made a video on that. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. I'll be leaving the link there. What you have to do is to tap on the link. You'll be able to watch how you can get all of these: your Bybit ID, your X deposit address and your memo. It's very simple. So guys, now let me go ahead now to paste it since I have it. So guys, now let me tap on the first one, which is Bybit ID, to input my Bybit ID. So let me paste it real quick. I've copied it already. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my Bybit ID. So let me go over to the second one, which is my X deposit address. So let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my X deposit address. So let me go back to the last one, which is my memo. Let me tap on it. Then let me paste it again. Let me paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Bybit ID, I've pasted my X deposit address and my memo. So what I'll do now is to tap on where it is written save and choose. You can see it down there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see what's written down there. Let me scroll down to see it. So guys can see it. Let me read it out. This method is chosen to withdraw tokens. So guys, now with my Bybit account, I'll be able now to claim and withdraw my X Empire token successfully. So guys, let me go back now. Let me cancel out to see what the former page will look like. So guys, now you can see what it's looking like now. You can see Bybit has been chosen. You can see it there. This method is chosen to withdraw tokens. You can see that we can no longer find other exchanges right there. You can no longer find other withdrawal options apart from Bybit. So guys, now this is to confirm that I've actually chosen Bybit as my withdrawal option. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.